What's up, Fact Questers? We are back with another mind-blowing video. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on Amazon's logistics, one of the most advanced delivery networks in the world. You know, that magical process that gets everything from gummy bears to gaming consoles delivered right to your doorstep. We're talking about a company that ships billions of packages every year, a company that's basically built its own transportation empire. I'm talking planes, trains, automobiles, and maybe even spaceships in the future. Who knows with Amazon? So buckle up, because we're about to drop 10 facts about Amazon logistics that are so wild, so unbelievable, they'll make your head spin faster than an Amazon delivery drone. Let's do this thing. Let's dive into 10 jaw-dropping facts about Amazon's massive operation. First up, let's talk about the sheer manpower behind this operation. Amazon employs over 1.5 million people globally. That's more people than the entire population of some countries. Imagine all those people working together 24/7 to make sure your new phone case arrives on time. You've got warehouse workers, packers, sorters, drivers, pilots, and even software engineers all playing their part in this massive logistical orchestra. And it's not just about quantity, it's about efficiency too. Amazon's known for its fast-paced work environment, with employees constantly on the move, fulfilling orders at lightning speed. They've even got robots helping out in the warehouses, but we'll get to that later. The point is, Amazon's workforce is a force to be reckoned with. So, next time you get that little notification saying your package is out for delivery, take a moment to appreciate the army of people who made it possible. Now let's talk about the future, baby. Amazon is bringing in the robots. Over 500,000 robots work alongside humans. These bots make jobs easier, not replace them. They're the ultimate warehouse assistants. This robot revolution speeds up Amazon's operations. So thank the robots for your fast deliveries. Here's a fact that'll blow your mind. Amazon delivers over 66% of its own packages. That's right, they're not just an online store anymore. They're practically their own shipping company. We're talking about a whopping 10.6 billion packages delivered annually by Amazon's own fleet of trucks, planes, and even those cute little delivery robots we talked about. By controlling the entire delivery process, from the warehouse to your doorstep, Amazon can ensure faster delivery times, lower costs, and greater customer satisfaction. They've got this whole logistics game figured out, and they're not afraid to show it. So next time you see that familiar blue Amazon truck pulling up to your house, remember you're witnessing a delivery revolution in action. They're not just delivering packages, they're delivering the future of logistics. Okay, let's talk about speed. We all know Amazon Prime is famous for its 2-day shipping, but did you know they're taking it to a whole new level with same-day delivery? That's right, in over 50 cities across the US, you can order something in the morning and have it at your door by dinner time. It's like having a superpower, the ability to summon anything you desire with just a few taps on your phone. Forgot to buy a birthday present? No problem. Amazon's same-day delivery to the rescue. Need a last-minute ingredient for tonight's dinner? Boom. Amazon's got your back. This insane speed is only possible because of Amazon's massive investment in logistics. They've strategically placed fulfillment centers near major cities so they can quickly process and ship orders to customers in record time. So next time you're running late and need something ASAP, remember the magic of Amazon's same-day delivery. Hold on to your hats, folks, because things are about to get really wild. Amazon Prime Air has a fleet of over 100 cargo planes. They're conquering the skies, too. These flying warehouses carry tons of packages across continents, delivering to even the most remote locations. It's carrying the future of delivery. Okay, let's talk about the backbone of Amazon's delivery operation, their massive fleet of delivery vans. Amazon's Delivery Service Partner program operates over 40,000 vans, ensuring packages make it to your door, no matter where you live. These blue vans have become a ubiquitous sight on roads across the globe, a constant reminder that Amazon is always just around the corner. But it's not just about the sheer number of vans, it's about the people behind the wheel. Amazon partners with local entrepreneurs to run their delivery operations, creating jobs and supporting small businesses. It's a win-win situation. So next time you see that familiar blue van pulling up to your house, give a little wave to the driver. They're working hard to make sure you get your packages on time, every time. Hold on to your hats, folks, because the future of delivery is about to get a whole lot more futuristic. Amazon is testing out drone deliveries for small packages, and it's even cooler than it sounds. Imagine ordering a new book and having it delivered to your backyard in under 30 minutes, all while you're relaxing on your porch swing. They're currently testing these autonomous flying machines in select areas, and the results are pretty mind-blowing. These drones can navigate complex environments, avoid obstacles, and deliver packages with pinpoint accuracy. Of course, there are still some hurdles to overcome before drone deliveries become mainstream, like regulations, safety concerns, and the whole "what if it drops my package on my head" thing. But hey, progress takes time, and Amazon is clearly committed to making drone deliveries a reality. Let's take a moment to appreciate the sheer scale of Amazon's operations. We're talking about a global network of over 175 fulfillment centers. These massive buildings are like small cities in themselves, packed to the brim with millions of products just waiting to be shipped to your door. And these fulfillment centers are more than just storage facilities. They're highly sophisticated operations with advanced robotics, conveyor belts that stretch for miles, and an army of workers working around the clock to fulfill orders. So next time you click that Buy Now button, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey your package is about to embark on, traveling through a network of fulfillment centers that spans the globe. It's a testament to the power of modern logistics and the magic of online shopping. In a world increasingly concerned about climate change, Amazon is stepping up to the plate with its commitment to sustainable logistics. They're investing heavily in electric vehicles, with plans to have 100,000 electric delivery vans on the road by 2030. But it's not just about the vehicles. Amazon is also working to reduce its carbon footprint across its entire logistics operation. From using renewable energy to power its fulfillment centers to optimizing delivery routes to reduce fuel consumption. They've even set an ambitious goal to achieve net zero carbon emissions by 2040. Now that's what I call thinking big. So next time you see that electric Amazon delivery van silently gliding down your street, give a little nod to the future of sustainable logistics. Okay, let's talk about the ultimate test for any logistics operation, Black Friday. This annual shopping extravaganza is like the Super Bowl for Amazon, with millions of customers around the world flooding the site with orders. On peak shopping days like Black Friday, Amazon's logistics network handles over 1 million packages a day. That's more packages than some small countries ship in an entire year. They've got backup plans for their backup plans, and they're constantly innovating to make sure they're prepared for anything. So next time you're battling the crowds on Black Friday, spare a thought for the army of Amazon employees working behind the scenes to make sure your package arrives on time. And there you have it, folks. 10 mind-blowing facts about Amazon logistics that prove they're not just an online store, they're a logistical powerhouse. From their army of robots to their fleet of cargo planes, Amazon is constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the world of delivery. So next time you click that Buy Now button, take a moment to appreciate the incredible network of people, technology, and innovation that makes it all possible. That's a wrap on our 10 facts about Amazon logistics. If you enjoyed learning about the inner workings of Amazon's delivery network, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a FactQuest video. See you next time.